So we're back. This is part 2 of the Seafoam concentrated injector cleaner upper cylinder loop product. This is 24 hours of soaking, and you can see a little bit of sediment. Not nearly as much as the first bout of soaking in the ZEP and the CLR, though there is some cleaning action. And the solution did clarify a little bit over time. It might have been because it was cold, but I'm not quite sure why it cleared up. Suppose it doesn't matter. That's the one with the blown off tip. The insulator was blown off somewhere along the line. This was the one from the first test, the one that was definitely fouled. As I'm agitating them, I'm getting a little bit of weeping from them. Though I did expect this to do more than what it's been doing. Trying to scrape that bit off there, but doesn't want to go. I said in my first part that if you're gonna do this, not just with spark plugs, but with cleaning carbon off other things, but spark plugs would be a good test, is use an ultrasonic cleaner or a magnetic stir and just have them like stir around in a beaker. And then some of these devices have a heating plate or a heating coil, and you can actually get the temperature of the solvent up, and that helps the molecules break down carbon and debris just by escalating the temperature. Improves efficacy quite a bit. These are actually copper rings too. I noticed that as they got cleaned up, they're copper. Makes sense, these washers are copper. A soft metal. Anyways, I'll probably leave these in another day or for the weekend, just to see if anything happens to them over more time. There's nothing hurting them in there. But if you're interested, watch the first part to see the real cleaning action begin, and I'll come back with another video, a part 3 finale, in a day or on the weekend. Maybe 2 days, who knows, we'll see. If anything changes, I will update you. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for updates.